In Python, why does 0 spin return false? Inputting the command 0 spin returns false. Why does that happen? This syntax should have no meaning whatsoever. Functions cannot start with 0, there are no inn in hex, and the bin function must have some arguments.
Python seems to interpret 0xbin as 0xbin, meaning is 11 in an empty tuple. The answer is no, therefore false.
If you disassemble the code, you'll see that a self's answer, which mentions that 0xbin is interpreted as 0xbin, is confirmed.
You can use Python's own tokenizer to check. This prints the tokens in your string, separated by spaces. In this case, the result will be. In other words, it returns false because the number 11, 0xb, is not in the empty tuple. Thanks to Roman Odaysky for suggesting the use of tokenize in the comments. Edit. To explain the code a bit more thoroughly, the tokenize function expects input in a bit of a weird format, so io.batezio line.readLine is a function that turns a sequence of bytes into something tokenize can read. Tokenize then tokenizes it and returns a series of name tuples. We take the string representing each one and join them together with spaces. The type not equal 59 part is used to ignore the encoding specifier that would otherwise show up at the beginning.
You can use the AST module to get the abstract syntax tree of the expression. See the abstract grammar for how to interpret the expression, but TLDR, number n equals 11, is the 0xb part, and tuple, else sad face, hints towards an empty tuple rather than a function call.